Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I'm going to talk about how to heal PCOS naturally. PCOS stands for polycystic ovary syndrome. PCOS is often described as an ovarian condition, but it is rarely just about the ovaries. It is a metabolic condition, an inflammatory condition, and very often an adrenal and thyroid condition as well. PCOS involves disrupted ovulation, irregular or absent periods, elevated androgens such as testosterone and insulin resistance. Research continues to show that insulin signaling and androgen balance are closely linked with metabolic dysfunction, reinforcing hormonal imbalance. For this reason, addressing blood sugar regulation is foundational in any meaningful PCOS protocol. At Optimal Health Network, we approach PCOS as a whole body endocrine conversation. The ovaries, adrenal glands, thyroid, liver, gut, and nervous system are all participating in that conversation. When one area is stressed, the others compensate. When metabolic stress is reduced, hormonal rhythm improves. Many women with PCOS struggle with weight gain. While diet is crucial, traditional calorie restriction weight loss approaches often fail because they do not address insulin resistance or chronic inflammation. Research suggests that dietary modifications, particularly lowering carbohydrate intake, improves insulin sensitivity and metabolic outcomes in women with PCOS. I recommend, and have worked with many clients using this very successful protocol, consuming approximately 40 to 80 grams of carbohydrates daily for a minimum of 3 months. This is not a lifelong prescription, but a therapeutic reset. During this time, I encourage generous intake of animal protein, eggs, raw dairy, healthy fats such as coconut oil and avocado, and unlimited non-starchy vegetables. Sugar, gluten, alcohol, and highly processed foods are eliminated entirely during the reset. Following this diet for a period of time will reduce inflammation in the body, stabilize blood sugar, and often helps decrease sugar cravings. When insulin stabilizes, weight often begins to shift naturally. More importantly, energy and mood begin to stabilize, which is equally critical in healing from PCOS. You can find out more about this exact diet in my book, 10 Days to Optimal Health. Elevated testosterone is one of the most distressing aspects of PCOS for many women. Acne, facial hair growth, irregular cycles, and hair thinning can all reflect androgen imbalance. Stabilizing blood sugar and reducing inflammation is critical to restoring hormonal balance. I recommend taking Ortho Omega fish oil to help with this, which has omega-3 fatty acids and has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve metabolic markers in people with PCOS. Over decades of clinical work, I have developed a hormone protocol designed to address blood sugar regulation, inflammation, micronutrient deficiencies, and hormonal rhythm simultaneously. This protocol includes 10 different supplements, and if you want help personalizing a protocol, I can help you figure out exactly which supplements will help you most in a consultation. Irregular menstruation is often the symptom that first brings women to seek help. With the dietary and lifestyle changes I've outlined, cycle regularity usually returns gradually. Energy stabilizes, cravings lessen, sleep improves, and then cycles begin to normalize. Hormonal birth control is sometimes used to regulate bleeding patterns, but it does not necessarily address underlying metabolic dysfunction and can come with serious side effects for some women. There is no universal best birth control for PCOS. Each woman must weigh symptom management alongside long-term endocrine health and consider comprehensive hormone testing when symptoms persist. At Optimal Health Network, we do hormone testing, and one of those is the Cycling Female Hormone Panel. This comprehensive saliva-based testing program evaluates reproductive hormones, including estradiol, progesterone, DHEA, and testosterone throughout the entire cycle. This panel can be particularly helpful for women experiencing irregular or painful periods, infertility, miscarriage, PMS, migraines, acne, low libido, facial hair growth, or suspected PCOS. Collection is non-invasive and painless, and samples can be taken conveniently at home. Healing from PCOS requires more than managing symptoms. It requires restoring metabolic stability, reducing inflammation, replenishing nutrients, and respecting the emotional terrain that often accompanies hormonal imbalance. Food relationships, stress patterns, sleep rhythms, and micronutrient sufficiency all matter. If you need more support, I'd love to work with you. Go to optimalhealthnetwork.com to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me. You can heal.